Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plot a hexagon in MATLAB. In order to do so, first of all, you need to write certain commands. CLC, clear all, close all. These are the commands to clear the command window. After that, first thing which you need to do is you need to define the value of theta. In case of the hexagon, the value of theta varies from 0 to 360. So we are going to define this theta from 0 to 360. In hexagon, we know that hexagon is having total of 6 sides and all those 6 sides are equal, and also all the 6 angles are equal. So we are going to divide these 360 degree into 6 angles of 60 each. So theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, and we are going to have an interval of pi by 3. Pi by 3 equal to 180 by 3, that is 60. So we have divided the entire 360 degree into 6 fragments of 60 degree each. Now we are going to create one array and initialize all the element of that array to 1. This is basically going to be the radius of that hexagon. Radius is basically length from center to the particular vertices. All the vertices are equal in case of this hexagon. So write r equal to 1, 7. After that, you need to make use of the polar command in order to plot this hexagon function. So write polar theta, r. Now you're going to run the program, and after that we're going to see the output on the command window. Here you can see the output. The radius is 1 as it is written at the top, and angle are 0, 30, 60, 120. All the sides are equal, you can see. Thanks for watching.